Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your reputation dashboard with reputation.com, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your reputation dashboard with reputation.com, start by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard interface. Look for the settings option, usually found in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on settings to access the various configuration options. In the settings menu, locate and select backup or data export. After selecting it, you will see options to back up different types of data. Choose the specific data you want to back up, such as reviews, analytics, or reports. Once you've made your selections, look for an export or download button. Click on this button to initiate the backup process. Depending on the amount of data, this might take a few moments. Once the backup is complete, you'll receive a notification or an email confirming the process. Check your email or dashboard notifications for this confirmation. Next, navigate to your email or the designated download location to find the backup file. Make sure to open the file to verify that the data has been backed up correctly. For additional safety, store this backup in a secure location, such as a cloud storage service. Regularly backing up your data ensures that you have easy access to your reputation records. Consider setting a reminder to back up your data at regular intervals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.